Hello friends and fellow SAP consultants. Welcome back to my channel Learn SAP with Prashanth. In today's session, we are going to learn how to create customer returns using S4HANA Fiori app manage customer returns. So on your Fiori homepage, select or click on manage customer returns. So using this advanced customer returns, the system will automatically create returns delivery and credit memo to the customer. So using a manage customer returns version 2, we can create without reference, and even we can create a returns with reference to an invoice. So in this session, we'll create without reference. Then click on create. So enter your returns order type and then click on create. So enter the sold to party. The system will propose the customer, enter the returns order reason. Maybe we can say it's damaged in transit. Okay, and go to the items, click on items and click on create to enter the line item which has been created returned by the customer. So here enter the material which has been returned. So we'll select the material and quantity as 10. So here assuming that the customer returned and we have received it or plant. So select a product received. Maybe we can select inspection code as 001. So here the refund type is we are giving the credit memo, and refund control is to create a credit memo, and then refund code like we are processing 100% refund. So click on apply. Okay. So check for incompleteness info. Okay, the system is the order is complete, so system has not given any error. Now click on save and release. Once the order is saved, returns order, the system automatically creates the returns delivery and credit memo to the customer. See here, you can click on refresh. Click on refresh. The system does in the background. So this is, you can go to the process flow and check. So here the returns order with reference to the returns delivery, and then it's created a credit memo and according document has been generated. Even we can go to our return sales order in SAP GUI and VS02, enter your order number and press enter. Go to the returns overview. See here, everything has been green, and even this inspection is pending. Even we can complete that inspection. Go to the T code MSR in execute, select your, click on save and confirm. Go here, click on refresh, click on refresh. So inspection is also done. So the document is completed. There is no further logistical follow-up. So using custom manage customer returns in S4HANA, once you create a returns order, the system automatically creates the returns delivery, returns goods receipt, it creates credit memo, everything in the background automatically. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel. So in the next sessions, we will be learning some more useful upskilling documents.